Doesn't matter if you are a businessman or a professional, you should have a business card so that when you meet a person of your interest or a prospective client, you can share your information, and when they are in need of your service, they can contact you. And that's what I tried to do, but my guy did not provide me with any design. So I did what I know the best, to do it myself. Actually, I did it with the help of a website. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about just that. Let's start. There are many websites where you can make your own customized business cards, and I have checked most of them out. But according to me, this is the best website at present because of the many features and the flexibility it provides the users. Let's check it out. As we enter the website, we can see that there are many things we can get custom made beside visiting cards or business cards, such as letterheads, pens, posters, business logo t-shirts, mugs, gifts. Let's see what's under the visiting card feature. Under visiting card, there are more than 4000 designs available, which is great. The size of the card is 89mm in length and 51mm in width. Under paper quality, there are three options: standard, premium and premium plus. I'm going for the standard quality because the price of this is the lowest. For paper stock, there is matte finish and glossy finish, and the price is same, so I'm going for glossy finish. On the corner, there is standard and rounded. The price of standard is the lowest, so I'm going for the standard. I'm going for 100 quantities because it is my advice, you should always check the paper quality and the printing quality before you order in bulk. So I'm going for 100 quantities. The price for 100 pieces is rupees 160. That is printing on one side of the card, which is higher than the normal, because if you go to a local vendor, the price will be around 70 rupees, but you will not get many designs to choose from. If you go for better design or if you want to put many things on the card, the price may vary. You will also have to go for proof checking, and the process might take longer than necessary, which was in my case. My design did not arrive even after 15 days. But on this website, everything is under your fingertips, and doesn't matter which design you choose and how many things you want to put on the card, the price is fixed. As you can see, there are many designs to choose from, so you don't have to start from the scratch. You can choose any of them and then customize it according to your need. So let's design one business card and let's see what are the features which are available. I'm going for food and beverages. There are many designs to choose from. As you can see, I'll choose this one. This looks good. Okay, so already there are many heads which are preset, like company name, phone number, your full name, job title, address line, email, etc. So under company's name, I'll put Delicious Fried Chicken, the franchisee which my friend Arno Das has taken. Job title, he's the owner. Let's put the address. Okay, it's a long address. It will take 3 lines. I can add another field and put the rest of the address over there. I'm going to delete these 2 heads which are not necessary, email and website. So the design looks clean. So let's put his phone number so that his customers can contact him. I've given both his number over there, and you can also put your own logo. You can put pictures on your business card. I'm going to choose one. Okay, I'm going to upload it. Okay, I'll just drag it up there and press add image, and I resize it and yeah, place it over there. That's right, it's looking good. So let's save the design and press next. On the reverse side, if you want something in color or in grayscale, there will be 80 rupees more. You can choose from the 4 options which are available, or you can start from scratch. I'm not going to choose any. I'm going for the blank option. I'm going to save some money. So let's press next. Yeah, so as you can see, the front side and the reverse side. Before you approve the design, you can review it, you can edit it if you want, you can make more changes. Yeah, that's it. It's very simple. Actually, I have made design for myself, and I've already designed few, and I've chosen this one. Let's go to edit. As you can see on my business card, there is no phone number or business address. I have just put my email ID and my YouTube channel's name, Viral Reels and Creativity and Time Pass. I'm the creator and filmmaker. Very simple. And the QR codes are over there, so that you can scan the card and go right away to my YouTube channel. In order to do it, open another tab, you copy the URL, go press more, and on the QR code, paste the URL address and press add QR code, and your QR code will be generated. It's that simple. So I've already ordered and I have received my visiting cards. So let's check them out. So this will be my first unboxing on this channel. So this is what I got from Vistaprint. This is my business card, glossy finish. I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty thin because I ordered a standard card, and this is the best I can get at this price. My name, my email ID, the name of my both YouTube channels. So let's check out if the QR codes work or not. Yeah, it's working. Creativity and Time Pass. This is one of my channel. Let's go back and check this one. Okay, Viral Reels. So there you go. So that's all for today, and see you next time. Bye.